Most vehicles today have automatic transmissions. It makes driving effortless and effective. But there are still times when we could use the ability to manually shift the gears for more power and control. Let's take a look at the driver shift control feature and how to use it.
Selective ride control.
In your Buick LaCrosse, you can shift into manual mode using the driver shift control, or DSC. The way it works depends on whether you have selective ride control or not. Let's take a look at both scenarios. If your vehicle is equipped with selective ride control, shift the lever to the left while in drive. The vehicle will now be in sport mode. Glance at the DIC in your vehicle. The display will show D for drive, and sport mode on will be displayed momentarily. When you are in sport mode, selective ride control shifts automatically, but with different suspension and handling for a more road-responsive ride. However, you can still enter manual mode. Move the shift lever forward to upshift or back to downshift. The gear indicator will change to an M, followed by a number representing the gear you're currently in.
Manual mode.
Now, if your vehicle does not have selective ride control, you can still operate in manual mode. First, move the shift lever to the left from drive. The transmission is now in manual mode, and you will see verification again in the Driver Information Center. Again, in manual mode, press the shift lever forward to upshift or back to downshift. You'll see the manually selected gear here in the DIC.
Shifting.
The transmission will only allow you to shift into gears appropriate for the vehicle's speed and engine revolutions per minute. The transmission will not automatically shift to the next lower gear if the engine RPM is too high, nor to the next higher gear when the maximum engine RPM is reached. While in DSC mode, the transmission will automatically downshift when the vehicle comes to a stop. This will allow for more power during takeoff. When accelerating the vehicle from a stop in snowy and icy conditions, you may want to shift into second gear. A higher gear allows you to gain more traction on slippery surfaces. It's great to have an automatic transmission, but it's even better to know that you can manually shift your gears if conditions demand more control. That's exactly why your vehicle is equipped with the driver shift control option. Make the most of it, and you're truly in the driver's seat.